Imagine walking into a grocery store with a simple goal in mind. You want to build muscle, feel stronger, and finally see progress in the mirror. But the moment you start thinking about high-protein foods, something frustrating happens. Your mind jumps straight to expensive supplements, fancy meal plans, and complicated recipes that seem built for professional athletes rather than everyday people. And suddenly, the goal feels distant. But here's the truth that many beginners never hear clearly enough. Building muscle does not require an expensive lifestyle. It does not demand complicated diets or rare ingredients. In fact, some of the most effective muscle-building foods are also some of the most affordable foods you can buy. The real secret is not money. The real secret is consistency, smart choices, and understanding how simple meals can work together to fuel muscle growth. So if you have ever felt like muscle gain is only possible for people with huge grocery budgets, stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see how a simple, affordable approach to eating can completely change your results. And it might be easier than you think. When most beginners start thinking about muscle gain, the first idea that pops into their head is protein. That part is actually true. Protein plays a major role in repairing muscle after workouts and helping your body grow stronger over time. But the mistake many people make is assuming protein only comes from expensive sources. They picture premium steaks, imported supplements, or complicated meals that require a full kitchen and hours of preparation. In reality, the foundation of a muscle-gaining diet is built from everyday foods that have been around for generations. Eggs are a perfect example. Simple, affordable, and incredibly powerful for muscle building. They contain high-quality protein and nutrients that support recovery after training. For beginners, eggs can easily become one of the most reliable foods in a muscle gain routine. Imagine starting your morning with a simple plate of eggs alongside something filling like oats or whole grain bread. It's not flashy, but it gives your body exactly what it needs to begin the day with energy and strength. And that brings us to another key piece of the puzzle. Muscle growth does not come from protein alone. Your body also needs steady energy. That energy usually comes from carbohydrates. And fortunately, many of the best carb sources are also very budget-friendly. Oats are a great example. They're filling, easy to prepare, and packed with nutrients that help fuel workouts and recovery. Rice is another classic staple used by athletes across the world. It is affordable, versatile, and pairs easily with many protein sources. Think about a simple meal of rice, eggs, and vegetables. It may not look like a professional athlete's meal plan from a glossy magazine, but nutritionally, it delivers everything your body needs to recover and grow. This is where many beginners begin to realize something surprising. The difference between an expensive muscle diet and a cheap muscle diet is often presentation, not effectiveness. Another powerful yet affordable protein source is lentils. Lentils are used in countless traditional cuisines around the world for good reason. They provide protein, fiber, and minerals that support overall health, while also helping keep you full for longer periods. For someone trying to build muscle on a budget, lentils can quietly become one of the most valuable foods in the kitchen. Combine lentils with rice and vegetables, and suddenly you have a complete, balanced meal that supports muscle growth without draining your wallet. And here's something important that many beginners overlook. Muscle gain is not about perfection, it's about repetition. Your body responds to what you do consistently over time. If you regularly provide it with protein, energy, and nutrients while challenging your muscles through training, progress begins to happen almost automatically. Now let's talk about another budget-friendly option that deserves far more attention: chicken. Chicken is widely known as a muscle-building food, but many people assume it must be expensive. In reality, certain cuts of chicken can be very affordable depending on where you shop and how you prepare them. A simple meal of grilled or pan-cooked chicken with rice and vegetables has become a staple in fitness communities for a reason. It delivers a strong combination of protein, energy, and micronutrients that help support muscle repair and growth. And the best part is that it doesn't require complicated cooking skills. Sometimes the most effective meals are also the simplest ones. But here's where the conversation gets interesting, because food choices are only part of the muscle gain equation. The way you structure your eating throughout the day also matters. Imagine your body as a machine that constantly rebuilds itself after training. When you give it regular access to protein and energy through balanced meals, you create an environment where muscle growth becomes easier. Skipping meals or relying on very small portions can make progress slower because your body simply doesn't have the resources it needs to rebuild muscle tissue. This doesn't mean you need a complicated eating schedule. It simply means giving your body regular opportunities to refuel. A morning meal that includes protein and carbs, a filling midday meal that keeps your energy stable, an evening meal that supports recovery after a long day. These simple rhythms can quietly support muscle growth in a powerful way. Now here's the moment where many viewers start wondering something important. What about snacks? Snacks can actually be one of the easiest ways to add extra protein and calories without spending much money. Foods like yogurt, peanuts, and peanut butter are simple but incredibly useful for beginners trying to build muscle. They provide a mix of protein, healthy fats, and energy that can help fill the gaps between larger meals. A spoonful of peanut butter with bread or oats might not look impressive on social media, but inside your body, it's providing valuable fuel for recovery and strength. And that's really the theme running through this entire approach. Muscle building nutrition doesn't need to look glamorous, it just needs to work. Let's pause here for a moment, because this is where many people watching start realizing something. The biggest obstacle to building muscle is often not money, it's confusion. There are so many flashy diet trends and complicated fitness plans online that beginners sometimes forget how powerful simple habits can be. If you consistently train your muscles and feed your body balanced meals built around affordable foods, progress starts to show up. Slowly at first, then more noticeably. Strength improves, energy increases, your posture changes, and eventually the mirror starts reflecting the effort you've been putting in. Now, here's something important that rarely gets discussed in muscle gain conversations. Vegetables. Some people think vegetables are only important for weight loss diets, but they actually play a valuable role in muscle building too. They provide vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support recovery and overall health. Affordable vegetables like carrots, spinach, cabbage, and potatoes can easily become part of a muscle-gaining meal. A bowl filled with rice, chicken, and vegetables might look simple, but inside that bowl is a powerful combination of nutrients that help your body repair muscle fibers after training. And when your body recovers well, your next workout becomes stronger. That cycle of training, recovery, and growth is what ultimately builds muscle over time. Now let's talk about something many beginners worry about: supplements. Walk through any fitness store and you'll see shelves filled with powders, pills, and drinks promising dramatic results. While some supplements can be useful in certain situations, they are not required for building muscle. In fact, many experienced athletes will tell you that whole foods should always be the foundation of your diet. Eggs, rice, oats, chicken, lentils, yogurt, vegetables, peanuts. These simple foods can already provide a powerful muscle-building foundation when eaten consistently. Supplements are optional tools, not magic solutions, and understanding that can save beginners a lot of unnecessary spending. As we move toward the final part of this conversation, let's step back and look at the bigger picture. Muscle gain is not a short sprint. It's a journey. There will be days when your workouts feel strong and meals come together easily. There will also be days when motivation feels low and progress seems slow. That's completely normal. What matters is continuing to show up, continuing to train, continuing to nourish your body with simple, affordable foods that support your goals. Because over time, those small actions begin stacking together in ways that are almost invisible at first. Then one day, something changes. You lift a weight that once felt impossible. You notice your shoulders filling out in a shirt that used to hang loosely. You feel stronger walking into a room. And in that moment, you realize something powerful. You didn't need expensive diets or complicated plans. You just needed patience, consistency, and a simple strategy that worked with your life instead of against it. So, if you're beginning your muscle-building journey and wondering whether you can do it on a budget, the answer is yes. Start simple. Choose affordable foods that provide protein, energy, and nutrients. Eat regularly. Train consistently. Give your body the fuel it needs to recover and grow. Progress may feel slow in the beginning, but every meal and every workout is quietly building the foundation for the results you want. And if this video helped simplify muscle gain for you, take a moment to show some support. Leave a like so more people can discover this approach. Subscribe to the channel for more practical fitness and nutrition guides. And in the comments, share your thoughts or your favorite affordable muscle-building meals. Your experience might inspire someone else who is just starting their journey today. Because sometimes the most powerful advice is simply knowing that progress is possible, even with the simplest meals on your plate.